students, welcome everyone to the Jnana Sadhana Pratishthan. In this today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the concept of potential. In the last lecture or in the couple of lectures, we had the discussion about the potential energy and its calculation. We know that there is a thing which is dependent on the distance and charges is the Coulomb's force or electrostatic force between two charges. If we have two charges like this q1 and q2, right, we have charges q1 and q2. Now the distance between them is r and the force between them is given by the Coulomb's force or electrostatic force F, which is equal to k q1 q2 divided by r square. This much we are known about, all we have seen in this previous lectures. Now in this today's lecture we are going to discuss about the concept of potential. आता बघा, कुलॉम्स फोर्स आपण बघितला होता. कुलॉम्स फोर्सचं कॅल्क्युलेशन काय होतं, के Q1 Q2 डिवायडेड बाय आर स्क्वेअर. त्याच्यानंतर आपल्याला इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड माहिती. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कशी काढतो आपण, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड E इज इक्वल टू के Q1 Q2 डिवायडेड बाय आर स्क्वेअर इंटू Q. सो दिस Q विल गेट कॅन्सल. दॅट्स वाय इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज गिवन बाय के Q डिवायडेड बाय आर स्क्वेअर. नाउ व्हॉट इज द पोटेन्शियल? पोटेन्शियल V इज 1 by R, right? So that is what the calculation we did in the last lecture. Let us discuss about the potential. The potential is given by this term, the quantity V of R, which is dependent on R. That's why it is also known as position dependent quantity. R is nothing but the position, okay? R is nothing but the distance, okay? So potential is the position dependent function. That's why V of R is equal to Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into R, depends on charge Q, and it is defined as the electrostatic potential. This quantity V of R is known as the electrostatic potential of charge Q and distance R. From what? Distance R. If we have charge Q and we are at this point, distance is R now. So what is potential? Potential is given by V of R, right? At the some distance R, the potential is V of R, okay? So now we can calculate and we can have the discussion on this same. Let me explain you what is meant by the equipotential surface. Now electrostatic potential energy is given by U, or it is denoted by letter U, which is nothing but electric potential V into charge. Listen to me, there are two different things. One is electrostatic potential energy U and another is electric potential V. Potential and potential energy both are different. Potential energy is denoted by U and potential is denoted by V. V into Q gives you potential energy. Potential energy U, which is equal to electric potential V and charge Q, right? So electric potential energy is the product of what? Product of electric potential and charge Q. Okay, you may look at on the screen वर तुम्ही पाहू शकता. इलेक्ट्रोस्टॅटिक पोटेन्शियल U, which is equal to electric potential V into charge Q. लिहून घ्या हे पॉईंट्स, राईट ऑन दिस ॲज वन ऑफ द पॉईंट. इलेक्ट्रोस्टॅटिक पोटेन्शियल V, which is equal to इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी पर युनिट चार्ज. म्हणजेच U इज इक्वल टू काय होतं आपलं, V इंटू Q. सो इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेन्शियल V इज इक्वल टू U डिवायडेड बाय Q. हे काय आहे, इलेक्ट्रोस्टॅटिक पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी U आणि चार्ज काय आहे Q. इलेक्ट्रोस्टॅटिक पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी U डिवायडेड बाय इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज Q, विच इज इक्वल टू इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेन्शियल V. U आणि Q याच्यामध्ये कन्फ्यूज होऊ नका. परत सांगतोय तुम्हाला, U म्हणजे आहे पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी. विच पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी? इलेक्ट्रोस्टॅटिक पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी. V म्हणजे आहे इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेन्शियल आणि Q म्हणजे आहे चार्ज. सो U इज इक्वल टू V इंटू Q. दिस इज द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन देम. वी कॅन जस्ट हॅव द इंटरकन्वर्जन and we can calculate V is equal to U by Q. V is equal to what? U by Q. म्हणजे इलेक्ट्रोस्टॅटिक पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी डिवायडेड बाय चार्ज. नाऊ दोन पॉईंट मधला तर डिफरन्स घेतला आपण. हे V म्हणजे काय आहे, V2 मायनस V1. U म्हणजे काय आहे, U2 मायनस U1. आणि चार्ज ॲज इट जर घेतलं तर ते येईल वर्क डन dW डिवायडेड बाय Q. वर्क डन dW डिवायडेड बाय Q, which is equivalent to the potential energy change or difference in the potential energy, right? The relationship between electric field and electric potential is given by work done is equal to force into displacement. We know that dW is equal to minus f into dx, which is also known as minus e into dx. Now this is one of the next article, which is equal to, yes, this one. You please write down this also. Work done on a positive charge, which is equal to dw. त्यालाच आपण dv सुद्धा लिहू शकतो. dw which is equal to dv, which is equal to potential, difference in the potential between m and n or between 2 points. dv is equal to minus e dx. आणि दोन्ही मधलं आता आपल्याला काय काढायचं आहे, रिलेशनशिप. e is equal to काय येईल, मायनस dv into minus dv divided by dx. Remember this one for your CET point of view. This expression is very important because E is equal to minus dV. We have two things. One is potential and one is field. This is what? Potential, and this is what? Field. Which potential? This is nothing but the electric potential. Electric potential and field both are different, and they have the relationship E is equal to minus into dV by dx, right? Minus dV by dx. This is the relationship between potential and electric field, right? Electric field and electric potential. Now we have the thing, it is zero potential. Zero potential means reference potential. From the point we are going to calculate the field, and we are going to calculate the potential energy. The reference point is the potential at the reference point is known as the zero potential, right? After this one we are going to discuss about the, let us discuss about the equipotential surface. What is meant by equipotential surface? Write on next article. The name of article is equipotential surface. What is meant by equipotential surface? An equipotential surface is that surface, equipotential surface is that surface at every point of which the electric potential is same. At every point of which the electric potential is same, this is known as the equipotential surface. Equi means same, potential means we know that it is the difference between the energies. Okay, so it is due to the position of the particles. It is nothing but the potential. Now equipotential surface means if we have two surfaces, if the potential is same at these 2 points, then this surface is known as equipotential surface. So potential V, the potential V of a single charge Q is given by V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q divided by R. This is what the potential is, where R is the distance and V will be the constant term. Now these two surface, you can draw the diagram draw करा. त्याच्यामध्ये हे दोन surface दिसत आहेत. These two surfaces are known as the equipotential surface. This is known as the line of force. This is not the single line. There are number of lines which are coming out of the point charge Q. If we have point charge Q, the number of lines are coming out of that charge. If these lines are outward, then we can call it as a positive charge. या सेंटरला कुठला चार्ज असला पाहिजे, पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज. We have positive charge at the equipotential surface is the surface where positive charge is at the center and lines of force are coming out of the surface. Okay, so lines of force means what? The lines which are coming from the positive charge. Okay, here is we have positive charge plus, and lines are coming out from that plus charge or from that positive charge. Okay, now if we have negative charge, lines of force are going to converge at that point, as you can see on the screen. Okay, so we know that this the properties of lines of force. This is known as what? Equipotential surface. So potential at point P and potential at point Q is, if it is different, then we can take the difference, and that difference is nothing but equivalent to the work done. Now if this difference is 0, it means that both are same. If Vp is equal to Vq, Vp which is equal to Vq, then difference between Vp and Vq is same. Vp minus Vq which is equal to 0. If difference is same means what? The work done is same. If work done is same means what? The surface is equipotential, means on that surface the potential is same everywhere. Everywhere we will find potential as the same quantity. Here you can see equipotential surface where E is perpendicular to the X, right? So dx is there and this is E. If we take the dot product of E and dx, we will get 0 because cos 90 is 0. Equipotential surface where E bar is perpendicular to that surface. Here also we can have the another equipotential surface for the dipole. Dipole means what? Di means 2, pole means ध्रुव. दोन ध्रुवासाठी सुद्धा सेम कंडिशन आहे. We can have the same thing for टू डिफरंट पोल्स, पॉझिटिव्ह अँड निगेटिव्ह. बघा इथं पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज आहे, हिअर वी हॅव निगेटिव्ह चार्ज. पॉझिटिव्ह निगेटिव्ह देर इज अ attraction, there is attractive lines of force between positive and negative charge. If these lines of force or field lines are going out, okay, from this point, you can observe पॉझिटिव्ह पॉईंटपासून लाईन्स बाहेर येत आहेत आणि निगेटिव्ह पॉईंटकडं लाईन्स जात आहेत. बघा या लाईन्स आहेत पूर्ण निगेटिव्ह पॉईंटकडं, निगेटिव्ह चार्जकडं जात आहेत. इट मीन्स दॅट लाईन्स ऑफ फोर्स आर गेटिंग कन्वर्ज ॲट द निगेटिव्ह पॉईंट अँड डायव्हर्जिंग ॲट द पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज. From the positive charge there is a divergence and to the negative charge there is a convergence, and this surface is known as the equipotential surface. Now which surface? This surface are known as equipotential surface for the dipole. Diagram draw करा, explain करा. 12वीच्या बोर्डाला important article आहे. You can write down this also, the equipotential surface for two identical positive charges. आता दोन जर सारखे चार्जेस असतील तर त्यांच्यासाठी हा कॉमन इक्विपोटेन्शियल सरफेस असणार आहे दोन सारख्या चार्जेससाठी. इफ वी हॅव टू सेम चार्जेस और सिमिलर चार्जेस वी कॅन हॅव द इक्विपोटेन्शियल सरफेसेस फॉर बोथ ऑफ देम. देर विल बी रिपल्सिव्ह फोर्स. या दोन्हीमध्ये फोर्स कुठला असणार आहे तर रिपल्सिव्ह फोर्स असणार आहे. नाऊ इफ यू डिस्कस अबाउट द टू पॅरलल मेटॅलिक प्लेट्स, या दोन पॅरलल मेटलच्या प्लेट जर घेतल्या, प्लेट 1 आणि प्लेट 2, आणि दोन्हीच्यामध्ये जर फोर्स काढला, दोन्हीच्यामध्ये जर आपण सरफेस बघितला तर हा आहे आपला इक्विपोटेन्शियल सरफेस between what we can say two different metal plates. What is meant by equipotential surface means if we have potential at this is Vp and we have potential at this point is Vq. If we take Vp minus Vq and we will get what? Work done, W. If this difference is 0, Vp minus Vq is 0. If we will take Vp minus Vq which is equal to 0, it means that work done is 0. If there is no work done, it means that potential is same at the two different points, right? In this way we can have the discussion of equipotential surface. With this I think better to stop here. We will continue the remaining things in one of the next lecture. Bye for now and have a nice day. Thank you everyone.